I came up with a great analogy for leverage in your business completely by accident today. If you've ever been bowling before, you know there are two types of lanes. There's a lane without bumpers and a lane with bumpers. And it's no surprise that if you go bowling on the lane with bumpers, you're going to bowl a higher score. It's just impossible not to because you can't throw any of the balls in the gutter. This analogy fell out of my mouth in the middle of a meeting with my team today. We were talking about Asana and how we're assigning tasks to one another. And Joan gave a suggestion or asked if I would do things a certain way, if I would follow a certain process. And I said, Joan, doesn't matter to me how I do it as long as it's easy. And then this analogy fell out of my mouth. I said, you guys are my bumpers. You give me the ability to throw the ball as fast as I can down the bowling alley, and I can just bounce around the sides. And I know eventually I'm going to hit some pins because I have you guys there. You've got my back, and you're going to make sure that I end up hitting my target one way or another. Maybe it doesn't look pretty, but we get there.